studying at Government High School, Sangarsha Model District. I am also the team captain of class 9, team 2. Female in my team, we have 5 members. Name is Tarla, Sugila, Kingila, Sukula, and Emila. Our team primary theme was vocal for local, and our idea category was cultural pride, and the title of our idea was women empowerment. The problem that we faced in our project was lack of material and lack of skill. And for this project, we have used the items like wool, knitting stick, needle, etc. And here is our product. This is a purse and a bag. This is a hairband for a baby. And this is a sweater for a baby. And this is a cap. And this is our traditional hairband. And this is socks for a baby. And this is a phone purse. And this is a plastic bag. And this all made by our team. Now I would like to translate in our local dialect. Misala lari le mazu imungju tharla iju class 9 chinga iju Government High School Sangor chinkejo tusho iju hayo team eketena isa team ching isa gezero pungalawa tusho isa team jo vocal for local lawa isa na hajak tuji isa na dimubur lagi hele tusho hing lagi ya tusho hing lu ya sa knitting stick lu ya sa debate lu ya sa harju isan haju ju bersa tusho haju ju kidu sa haju kutsun dia azur kutsun ba za le tusho haju bangkang